Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Fenix 8 Solar, and I'm gonna show you how to customize the hotkeys or the button shortcuts on this watch. First, we need to open the menu on our watch, and you can do it by pressing and holding the up/menu button. Once the menu opens, scroll through it and find the option called Watch Settings, and then tap on it to enter the settings. Now, scroll down and find the option called the System. And once you find it, tap on it, and here select the Shortcuts option. And right here we have the list of shortcuts. We have something like Start button and Down button, so these two. Start, oh my bad, come on, go back. Start up, so this one and this one. Back plus light, so this one and this one. And you have different combinations basically of keys. Find the one you like. For example, let's say start plus up, so this combination. Tap on it, and now we can assign a function for it. Oh, come on. So let's find the function we like. For example, I'm gonna select, let's say pulse oximeter. And then when you press the start button plus up, it should open the pulse oximeter up, basically. And you can assign different functions to different keys or combination of keys. So for example, alarm clock to the back and light. So these two, oh, for some reason it turned on the, oh, there it is. There's the alarm clock. For some reason it also turned on the flashlight. Did it? Oh, it's double press for the light button. Okay. So if you press and hold them, it will open the alarm clock like I set it to. And you can assign it to different functions. Of course, once you're done, you can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you customize the hotkeys or the button shortcuts on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.